Hello guys, welcome back to the my HTML tutorial. This is session 4. In the previous session we learned about HTML heading. If you are not don't know what is the heading, then please watch my previous session, that is session 3. In this session I am going to tell you something about the paragraph tag and its organizations and how it is going to display data for you. Okay, let's move to the next slide. HTML paragraph. The HTML p element defines a paragraph. If you want to write something as a paragraph, then you need to choose or write a p tag inside the p tag. The paragraph always start on a new line and browser automatically adds some white space and margin before and after of the paragraph. This is the syntax of writing a paragraph. It will start from the p and end by forward slash p, and in between your content will be. Okay. HTML display. You sometime you may think how I have to display the data, but it won't work because browser having on a strategy to display your data. Okay, you cannot be sure how HTML will be displayed. If you can write in on way of writing code, but you can't say that my text will be displayed in this format only, because browser having some formats to display the data. It will remove some white space lines and on based on the syntax of the any programming language. Okay, large or small screen and resized window will be created different result. If you writing the same code and running in the different browser different size of a screen, then the size of the content will be changed device to device. So okay, with HTML you cannot change the display by adding extra space, extra line in your HTML code. Okay, like I want some more space between the two text, then we can't just make a press 5 to 7 space in the code editor and it will look same in the browser. Browser will remove the all white space and extra lines. The browser will automatically remove any extra space and line when the page is displayed. As I said, wanted to display in this format. Let's see. Yeah, it is possible. We need to write some paragraph or text in the multiple line by breaking and each line have some text and the next subsequent. But if we will write inside the paragraph in this format, then what can you assume how it will be displayed in the multiple line, or it all this paragraph will be displayed in the same line. Okay, let's we can do this using this format. For each line we will use the paragraph tag inside. We will place the content, then only it will look like this previous video is this slide. But this is not a perfect solution. Okay, let's see another problem. Let's suppose I am a writer and I wanted to write some poem, and as you know, a poem having some quotes, then after lines, blank line, again quotes, all these things like this. But I want to write in this format. Then how can I expect from the browser my document should look like this? For that we having another tag, preserve tag, pre tag. Whatever document or content written in between preserve tag, it will display as same as you written in the browser. Okay, So this is something about the paragraph and its formatting. If we want to write the text in the multiple line and whatever format you are applying, then we will go through this preserve tag. Otherwise p tag, uh, inside the p tag, all the white space and the new lines will be removed by the browser. Okay, let's move to the coding section. Yeah, I created a blank document, HTML document for the paragraph tutorial. Let's write some code. This is session 4. Okay, this is session 4. In this session we learn paragraph and its formatting. I am just typing some text so that we can look in the browser. Formatting, I think formatting, maybe some typing mistake is here, so don't consider this typing mistake. I am just showing your demo to how your text will be appear. Yeah, I written it 3 lines in the paragraph. So let's have a look at the browsers, so how it is displaying. I am running in the live server. Yeah, I written all the text in 3 different lines, but it all displaying in the same line, because whatever white space and the line which we added in the text editor, it is by default ignored by the and removed by the browser. So all the white space and the new lines will be removed by the browser in the case of paragraph. Okay, in the case of paragraph, but I want to show this document in the as written document. Okay, so that we have preserved tag. If I will look at the browser, then you may see here whatever space and the white space and the line I given, number of line is I given, it is looking same as the coding. So let's format it again so that we can if I am putting one more line after the first line, blank line after the first and second line, then have a look. Yeah, I can write in this way. So this is the paragraph tag. If you are using p tag, then all the white space and the new line will be removed by the browser. But if you want something like a poem or in your own writing style, then you should use the pre tag so that your content will be displayed as you written in the text editor. Yes, we can add more thing in this between. We having a I already discussed in the first session, or I think second session, about the HR and the BR tag. HR tag is used for horizontal rules and the BR tag is used to break the line. If I am writing like I am going to add one more line before this preserve tag. This is my this is sorry 4th session. of HTML tutorials, and then after I am writing thanks for watching. Yeah, I written some text in between a paragraph tag. Let's have a look at the browser. Yeah, all this text is appear in the same line. Let's use one br tag to break the line. Now we can see, yeah, the text after the tutorials is comes in the next line, because I used br tag. It will break the line and start writing from the new line. Similarly, we can also put a horizontal rule. Yeah, hr tag. Using hr tag, we can put the horizontal rule. So guys, that's it about this HTML paragraph tutorials. I think you will enjoy this learning. If you think this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share with your friend and subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you for watching.